would like to extend my heartiest congratulations on the occasion of 77th Independence Day of Pakistan, which is 14th August, and this year Pakistan will be completing 77 years of independence. Special heartiest congratulations to the government, to the citizens, and special congratulations to Pakistanis who are living in the United Arab Emirates, who have left their families back in their home. They are here. They consider United Arab Emirates as their home. And we accept them with open arms. And we would like to tell them, you are our family, we are together, and we wish you all the very best.